Welcome to Crypto Classroom, the #1 YouTube channel for learning about the latest trends in cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. At Crypto Classroom, our main goal is to equip our audience with the knowledge needed to excel in the dynamic and fast-paced cryptocurrency landscape. In today's video, we will be discussing one of our favorite Web 3.0 projects here at Crypto Classroom, Flux. We will be diving deep into what makes this project so unique from its competitors, some of its key features, and explaining why we think it can realistically 20 times in price. Be sure to stick around to the end so you don't miss a thing. As most enthusiasts and investors know, there are a lot of volatility and uncertainty in the world of crypto assets. A token could be increasing in value at breakneck speeds one day, then take a complete nosedive on the next, taking with it billions of dollars. However, blockchain technology, the bedrock upon which all cryptocurrencies are built upon, has been praised by almost everyone. This has led to applications that have peer-to-peer architecture at its core, which makes individual users an important part in the governance of any application. At the moment, Ethereum and Solana are the leading blockchain networks, but new projects promise to provide a complete infrastructure similar to Amazon's AWS, the reigning world #1 provider of cloud computing and services. One such project is Flux. Formerly known as Zcash, this cryptocurrency has been rebranded as Flux on 27 March 2021. It's a new era of scalable, decentralized cloud infrastructure, with Flux creating, operating, and growing your applications across numerous servers simultaneously is no longer a pipe dream. Flux is currently engaging many investors to secure funding, and the network claims to be an enabler for other blockchain-based projects. The Flux ecosystem is genuinely decentralized, with its governance operating through the Flux Governance XDAO, and its network is powered by global community of Flux nodes. So, you must be wondering what is so unique about the Flux blockchain and what's the value proposition of the Flux token. The project includes decentralized computing services and a lot of multiple tools that developers can use to build and deploy their decentralized applications. Flux claims that the service it provides are enterprise-grade, with features that allow for the efficient development and launch of blockchain-based ideas. Flux also has a cloud infrastructure that provides crypto wallet services. Multiple crypto assets can be bought, stored, and swapped using the Zelcore wallet. Next is Flux OS, or the Flux operating system, which consists of Flux nodes which they can claim are distributed widely across the globe. The Flux ecosystem has its own native Flux cryptocurrency, which is used for its operation, a suite of decentralized computing services, and blockchain as a service solutions for cloud infrastructures. According to the cryptocurrency's white paper, Flux is a fair-minded proof-of-work cryptocurrency that acts as a utility asset for onboarding to the ecosystem and powering the transaction of information across the ecosystem. The assets also acts as the main incentivization for operating a Flux node, enterprise-grade server hardware powering the ecosystem. As mentioned earlier, Flux uses a proof-of-work protocol drawing on the computational power from a graphic processing unit to solve the consensus algorithm in blockchain technology. Aside from getting tokens through trading at exchanges, users of Flux are also rewarded for operating nodes on the network and mining. Paying for network fees is also another use for Flux native utility token, and according to its operator, the value of Flux will grow as the project and network grows with new use cases. While other major fiat and cryptocurrencies are accepted for transactions on the Flux platform, the use of its native utility coin will be highly encouraged for commerce on the network. There's even an incentive in the form of substantial discounts for those who will use Flux to purchase distributed computing power. Another use of Flux is to design and operate applications on many servers at the exact time. It's an open source task run by society and is insulated from external investors. Flux is putting a lot of effort into creating decentralized finance or DeFi infrastructure by maintaining its independence and focusing on inventions in blockchain technology. Since Flux has its own entire ecosystem, the prospects for its native coin holds great potential. Although keep in mind that predictions about the future price movements of Flux coin can be unreliable due to the nature of the crypto market, BTC can be used as a benchmark since it can affect the entire crypto market. Becoming the leading decentralized cloud infrastructure provider that works with Web 3.0 is also one of the goals of Flux. Its platform is powered by Flux node infrastructure, which is run by individual Flux holders. Nodes are simply decentralized digital ledgers that is used to record and verify all crypto transactions. Flux boasts that Flux node will provide added security and privacy for its users. Unlike other projects, Flux nodes can be operated by anyone as long as they have the required utility token and hardware. Because of this, Flux Flux nodes are located all over the world with 10,764 nodes in operation as of April 20, 2021. Financial journalist Raza Naqvi wrote on Kalkai Media, as Web 3.0 blockchain and crypto projects are becoming increasingly popular, the Flux crypto could gain momentum as it acts as a decentralized alternative to Amazon Web Services platform. And for good reason, investors have been spooked since the outage on AWS in December of 2020, so they are looking at alternative providers that could reduce dependence on incumbent tech companies. According to Investor Place, an independent financial research firm based in the US, Web 3.0 promises to solve this dependence through decentralization. Its advocates want to move away from an internet dedicated by the largest tech companies, Alphabet, Amazon, Meta Platforms, Microsoft, and Apple. The firm even listed 3 Web 3.0 cryptos that support the development of the new decentralized internet: Flux, Ocean Protocol, and BitTorrent. Flux is the native asset of the Flux ecosystem and is available on the Flux blockchain and several other leading chains. Flux is at the core of the Flux ecosystem, being crucial to its operations and smooth running. In addition, Flux is a multi-utility asset that is responsible for the incentivization and collateralization of Flux nodes. It's the exchange unit for transactions in the Flux network, and it enables a decentralized form of two-factor authentication. Flux is also focused on its users, with community members earning Flux as a reward for their contributions in running Flux nodes or mining. Instead of an initial coin offering or ICO, the project oversees a fair token distribution model where the largest rewards are given to users with the most significant contributions. Now let's talk about the tokenomics and price predictions. Flux has a circulating supply of 231 million tokens and a max supply of 440 million. At the time of this recording, Flux is ranked 207 on CoinGecko with a market cap of $334 million, giving it a price of $1.44. Flux saw a great deal of success in 2021 with bull run rally in late fall. Because of this, it was able to ride the market momentum and record an all-time high of $3.33 on January 3, 2022. Shortly thereafter, price action has receded largely due to many extreme global factors, creating a bearish sentiment for the entire crypto market. Despite the fear and volatility that is currently present in the market, we believe that there will be a great deal of undeniable buying opportunities that will emerge under these conditions. After all, bear markets are for buying and bull markets are for selling. In fact, if you were to purchase Flux at its current price, you would be acquiring it at a 56% discount from its all-time high. So just how high do we think Flux can go? By the year 2025, we are predicting that Flux can reach a price of $17.11. Of course, this price target is contingent upon many factors but not limited to the team's ability to enhance the ecosystem, onboard new users, and overall market conditions. However, if this price target is achieved, it would result in an 11 times return for those purchasing Flux at its current price. The industry in which Flux is participating in is already saturated with players offering almost the same services. Accordingly, Flux is positioning itself to be like Amazon Web Services in the blockchain space. Its native crypto could be limited for use within the Flux network, but the team claims that the coin can be used on many DeFi networks including Ethereum and BSC. Recently, all major crypto assets have taken a hit in response to the anticipated rates increase, the US Federal Reserve wiping out billions of dollars in lost value. The medium-term outlook is that the price of Flux would be influenced by demand from blockchain developers and users of the Flux ecosystem. Its decentralized cloud infrastructure services has been getting a lot of interest from investors as Web 3.0 becomes more and more of a reality. What do you think? Is our price prediction too ambitious or too conservative? Do you think Flux has what it takes to carve out a name for itself in the cloud infrastructure space? We would love to hear your thoughts. Please feel free to drop a comment below. Lastly, please remember that we are not financial advisors at Crypto Classroom and that these videos are for entertainment purposes only, and that you should always do your own research before investing in any crypto. If you enjoyed watching this video and value our insight here at Crypto Classroom, please feel free to click on one of the 2 videos showing on the screen right now. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, click that subscribe button, and smash that notification bell so you won't miss out on our next videos. See you in the next video. Take care!